How to get $140 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in uber.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can go ahead and log into your account. Select your ride and proceed to checkout. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there you can paste the code and get the discount. But where can you find the Uber promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Uber promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Uber. So you can open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, CNN. Once you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can see that $20 off, $15 off, $6 off, and many more. Using this website, you can get up to $140 Uber promo code. So go ahead and open any of these. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Uber and come to the page of promo code. Over there, paste the code and proceed to checkout. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Uber. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $140 Uber promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.